Okay. See, generally, suppose when you are having the functions, how you will do the product rule? Suppose they have given y is equal to x square plus 1 into e to the power of x. Then you take this function as f, this function as g, right? Then how we will apply the derivative rule means dy by dx, you're differentiating with respect to x is equal to x square plus 1 derivative into e to the power of x plus e power x derivative times of x square plus 1. That means they will give one specific function and you are differentiating that product rule. Correct?
Okay. Yeah.
But implicit differentiation is they won't give like that. You have to find the dy by dx. Suppose I'm taking a circle equation x square plus y square is equal to r square. Then how to write the derivative of that function? How to write dy by dx means very starting when you are learning the basics of the differentiation, you may learn that suppose if you are taking any function y, you are differentiating with respect to x means you will write dy by dx. You will write like that, right? When you are differentiating the function s with respect to t, you will write ds by dt like that, isn't it?
Yes.
Similarly, here also, suppose if they given the function like that, x square plus y square is equal to r square. Find dy by dx, we will take dy by dx. Then what to do? First of all, you have to differentiate with respect to x. Okay, right? Then what is the derivative of x square?
2x.
2x. Derivative of y square?
So I guess 2y times dy.
Dy by dx. There you have to write. That means when you are differentiating with respect to x, whatever the function other than x we are having, there you have to write with that function respect to x. Here we are having minor, so you have to write dy by dx is equal to r square is constant, right? Therefore, derivative is 0. Then how can you write 2x is equal to minus 2y dy by dx?
Yeah.
Okay, 2 get cancelled. Therefore, what is your dy by dx? Dy by dx is equal to minus x by. This is what your implicit differentiation. Okay, I think in your papers there is one question. See, we will paste this question and we will check. Okay, we will do this question. Okay. The curve C is defined by xy minus ln y is equal to 1, which is y greater than 0. Okay, so first of all, what we do in this means you have to take xy minus ln y is equal to 1. They're asking to find the dy by dx in terms of x and y. Okay, so you are having xy now. So what to do? You have to do the product rule, right? That means derivative of x into y plus derivative of y into x. Why? Because x and y are two different functions now. So that's minus. What is the derivative of ln y?
1 over y.
Whenever you are giving y, you have to give dy by
dy or dx.
That should be equated to 0. Why? Because derivative of 1 is 0.
Yes.
Now, what's the derivative of x? 1.
1. So that means just y.
Y. Plus, derivative of y is?
1 dy or dx.
Correct. That means I'm writing x dy by dx minus 1 by y dy by dx. That should be equated to 0. Correct? Isn't it?
Yeah.
Now, in both the terms, which is common? Dy by dx. Right?
Yeah.
Plus dy by dx, if I take common, I can write it as x minus 1 by y equal to 0. That means y is equal to minus dy by dx into x minus 1 by y. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to this minus I am taking inside. Okay.
Okay.
I will write it as an y by 1 by y minus x. Agree?
Yeah.
Okay. This minus when you are distributing it, what you will get? Y is equal to dy by dx into 1 by y minus x. Correct? Now I want only dy by dx. So I will divide by 1 by y minus on both sides. Then you will get like this. Okay.
Okay.
But you want to do it, simplify it still. That means here you can write as an y by 1 minus xy by y. When you reciprocate it, you will get the function y square by 1 minus xy. Okay. Therefore, what is your dy by dx? Dy by dx is equal to y square by 1 minus xy. Like this, you will get it.
Okay.
Okay. Any doubt?
Okay.
I'm going fast, my dear. Is it okay?
No, it's fine. It's fine.
Now they're asking what you have to determine the equation of the tangent to C at the point 2 by e comma e. Already we have learned about how to find out the equation of the tangent. That means to find out the equation of a tangent, what are the important points?
You have to find the derivative and then input the x value into there to get the slope of your line. Yes. And then you put the, and since they already gives you a point, you can just solve for the equation.
Yes. Yeah, that means to find out the equation of the equation of any tangent, first of all, what to do means you have to find out the slope. Slope is nothing but dy by dx. Already we calculated, right? Dy by dx we already calculated. So another one is you should know the point. What is that point? 2 by e comma e. Okay. First of all, what is your dy by dx? So dy by dx is equal to what you got? Y square by 1 minus xy, right?
Yes.
Y square by 1 minus xy. Okay. Now here you substitute that y and x in this one is equal to y is e whole square minus 1 minus x 2 by e times of e. Correct?
So that means it'll be e squared over -1. So it'll just be negative e squared.
Minus e squared. Now what is this? M is equal to minus e square. And the point is 2 by e comma e. Now, what is the equation of the line? You can use the slope-intercept form or point-slope form, right? Same, no? So, I will write point-slope form as y minus e is equal to 2 by e into, minus e square times of x minus 2 by e. Why? Because what is the point-slope formula? Y minus y1 is equal to n times of x minus. So this I will take it as an x1 y1, so that we will write it as y minus. So this is the equation of the tangent.
Okay.
Like this, we have to do the implicit differentiation. So in the whole problem, implicit differentiation is nothing. Whatever you are having wherever you are having the derivative of y, there you have to represent as dy by dx. Okay. Function when you are getting this dy by dx. From that you have to sort it out as the dy by dx form. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.